children, welcome to my channel. We shall start one question from R.D. Sharma. The question is, solve the following pair of linear equations, and the equations are 99x plus 101y equal to 499, and second equation is 101x plus 99y equal to 501. Now children, we shall name these equations as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now children, you can see that coefficient of x in equation number 1 is 99, but in equation number 2 the coefficient of y is 99. In the same way, coefficient of y in equation number 1 is 101, but it becomes the coefficient of x in equation number 2. So coefficients are interchanging in both the equations. So in these kind of questions, what shall we do children? First of all, in step number 1 we add both of these equations. Step 1 में इन equations को हम add करेंगे और step 2 में इन दोनों ही equations को हम subtract करेंगे, and we will get two new equations, or then we shall solve those two new equations. So let's start step 1. In step 1, adding equation 1 and equation 2. 99x plus 101x will be 200x, plus 101y plus 99y will be 200y is equal to 499 plus 501 will be 1000. After this children, in next step we shall take 200 common from left hand side, and we are left with x plus y inside the bracket equal to 1000 as it is on right hand side. After this children, 200 from left hand side will be shifted to right hand side and will be converted into division. So we will get x plus y equal to 1000 divided by 200. After writing in the standard form or after cutting, we will get x plus y equal to 5. After this children, in next step 2 we shall subtract both the equation. You can subtract equation 1 and 2, but I am subtracting here equation 2nd and equation 1 because in equation number 2nd 501 is greater than 499. Now for subtraction I will have to change the signs of second equation. So plus 99x will become minus 99x, plus 101y will become minus 101y, plus 499 will become minus 499. Now children, 101x minus 99x will be 2x. प्लस 99y में से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 101y. We will get minus 2y because according to integers plus minus minus and sign is of greater number. 101 is a greater number और इसके साथ जो sign है वो है negative. So we will get minus 2y equal to 501 minus 499. We will get 2. After this children, in next step I will take 2 common from left hand side. Inside the bracket I am left with x minus y. On the right hand side 2 as it is. After this children, 2 from left hand side will be shifted to right hand side and will be converted into division. So I will get x minus y is equal to 2 divided by 2 will be 1. So equation number 4 is x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 4. Now in step 3 children, I have found 2 new equations. I will add both the equations, equation 3 and equation 4. Equation 3 I have got x plus y is equal to 5 and equation 4 is x minus y is equal to 1. I will add both the equations. X plus x will become 2x plus y minus y will be cancelled equal to 5 plus 1 6. Now 2 from left hand side will be shifted to right hand side and will be converted into division. After dividing 6 by 2, I will get 3. So value of x I have found 3. Now I will put this value of x in equation number 3. This is our step number 4. Equation 3 is x plus y equal to 5. I will replace x by 3. So I will get 3 plus y is equal to 5. In next step, 3 from left hand side will be shifted to right hand side and it is plus 3, so it would be transformed in into minus 3. So I will get y is equal to 2. So I have found both the values, x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. This is the answer of this question.